adopted or argued. That way, we will save time and ensure that expeditious hearing of the petition and for the pre-trial to continue. But there is one application. There is an application we filed yesterday. I believe it will be of immense interest to you, gentlemen of the press. We are asking that the Honorable Court should allow live streaming and broadcasting of the proceedings of the courts from day to day, whenever the court is sitting. Because it was something introduced by the colonial masters, but they have moved on, and we are still in the ancient age. So we feel that we should depart from that and adopt modernity, because some African countries are now live streaming their proceedings. I don't see why Nigeria shouldn't. So that's why we filed this application, so that it won't be just a matter of you hanging out here. You can come in if the court allows it, if the court grants it. And if some of you, as much as the court can accommodate, will come in with their cameras and be filming the proceedings in real time. After all, you can come in if the court allows it, if the court grants it. And if some of you, as much as the court can accommodate, will come in with their cameras and be filming the proceedings in real time. After all, the court is a public place. Members of the public have a right to be in court, subject to space. But since the space is small, can't accommodate perhaps more than 200 or so, or less than 200, apart from the what is there at the foyer lobby. It's just not enough in our view, and that is part of democracy. That is part of constitutionality. So that's it.
Thank you very much, sir.
So after that, you people will if the application is granted, you will thank us.